Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Crack JEE in English, the channel of Unacademy, and I am Jeetendra Dixit. So, before we begin, let me just check my voice and yeah, all right. So let me start with my introduction. I am Jeetendra Dixit. I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur and I have been mentoring IIT-JEE aspirants for last 11 years. So in today's session, we are going to continue circles. I have already taken one session on circles. This is the second one. But before that, let me also tell you about the subscription, Unacademy subscription. As you know, Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform, and if you are preparing for IIT-JEE, then you can have two types of subscriptions on Unacademy. One is Plus, another is Iconic. In Plus subscription, see what you get. In Plus subscription, you get unlimited access on the platform. You can watch, you can join courses of all the educators. I mean, of your choice, you can choose educator. So basically, you can watch live sessions of any educator who is teaching on Unacademy Plus, and then you can follow educator of your choice, and you can follow his course, his or her. The sessions which I'm talking about, live sessions, these are live sessions and very interactive. You can ask your doubts during the live session only through chat. You can participate in polls, so in that way it makes very interactive. Live tests and quizzes are also accessible to you. And the courses which I'm talking about are well structured. That means everything is pre-planned, so you can see the schedule of all the upcoming sessions in well advance. One minute. Yeah. Now, these are the subscription charges. You can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6, 12, and 24 months. 12 and 24 months prices you can compare. 12 months it is 38,500 and 24 months it is 56,000. And average per month is very low in these two, 12 and 24 months. So you can be advisable packages. And in all the subscriptions, whether it is 1 month or 24 months, you'll get 10% discount using the referral code. So use this referral code, my referral code JEET1, and you'll get instant 10% discount in all the subscriptions you can see. Now, second is Iconic subscription. In this, you get access to, all the benefits of Plus, and apart from that, you get a personal coach who will guide you throughout your preparation for IIT-JEE. Your test analysis will be done in a personalized way. Personalized feedback will be given to improve your time management and exam approach. Your study planner will be customized. Bi-weekly reviews will be given highlighting your progress. So this is the Iconic subscription and you can subscribe for 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months in Iconic subscription. 6 months subscription charges are 38,000. 12 months it is 65,000, and 24 months it is 1 lakh. And you'll get 10% discount in all the subscriptions you can see. And this is Unacademy's learning app which you can download from Play Store. And after downloading it, you can use the same code to access the free content on the platform. You can access unlimited free content on the platform. And also let me give you the information about the next Unacademy's JEE Combat. It is on 20th of December. So if you have not enrolled yet, enroll for that. It is highly competitive and gamified exam of Unacademy for IIT-JEE. All right. Hello, Zia. Good evening. All right. So now let's begin the session. Shall we begin? Is Raghav there? Yeah. So we were doing circles. In the end, I told you x and y intercepts. All right. Now some special cases, if a circle touches x-axis. So in most of the questions you'll see in objective type, generally they give this condition: the circle is touching x-axis or circle is touching y-axis. Intercepts we have already seen, right? So what happens when a circle touches x-axis? See, if this is x-axis and this is a circle, I'm not making y-axis in this case. If coordinates, if centers are h comma k, say h comma k, and radius is r, okay, that means equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k, y minus k. You have three variables, right? H, k, and r. I mean, three things you need: h, k, and r to write the equation. Y minus k the whole square is equal to r. Now see, this is r, and because circle is touching x-axis, so this but this is perpendicular distance of h comma k from x-axis. So this radius will be equal to what? If circle is touching x-axis, then y coordinate of center will be equal to radius, right? Mod of y coordinate. So radius is equal to mod of k. Mod of k because circle can be above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So radius is equal to, hello Raghav. Hello everyone. All right. So you can put it here, and then in place of radius you'll get this k square, okay? So now one variable is less. Now you need only centers, coordinates of center, and you can write radius also. So this is what happens when circle touches x-axis. I hope you got it. Now second case is if circle touches y-axis, then what will happen? If circle touches y-axis, then radius will be equal to, this is h comma k, center. Then radius is equal to x coordinate, right? Mod of h. So in this case, you'll get x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to, in place of k square, now it will be h square, right? Yes, r is equal to h, mod of h. Mod of h, okay? Left, right. Now suppose third case, if radius of a circle is r and it touches both the axes. Now this is very important case. Then what will be the equation of circle? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the coordinates of center? Because radius is given, what will be the coordinates of center if circle is touching both the axes? Tell me fast. h2 plus k2 root is radius. In this case, Raghav, in this case when circle is touching both the axes, you are saying root. What root? S square plus k square root. No. It is not passing through origin. That will happen when circle is passing through origin. Circle is not passing through origin. Circle is touching. Radius is given r. You need to write the coordinates of center. I need coordinates, center के coordinates. Radius is given. R. Any other possibility? See, it is touching both the axes, but it's not given that it is touching only positive x, positive y. It can be in second quadrant also. So 4 circles are possible, right? You can see 4 circles are possible. So in this case, radius will be r. In this case, center. In this case, center will be minus r comma r. One more possibility is there. I mean, 2 more possibilities are there. One is this case. In this minus r, and last possibility is this. This is r comma minus r, right? So if you write the equation is going to be x plus minus of r whole square plus y plus minus of r whole square is equal to r square. If we specify that it is touching positive x and negative y, then you can write one specific circle, otherwise all four will be your answers. I hope you are getting it. Yes, got it. So we did intercepts in the previous session. Now we have got the conditions when circle touches axis, coordinate axis, okay. Now do one example. Find the equation of a circle which touches y-axis. Now this is a very good question. Y-axis at 0, 2, 0, 3, and it cuts intercept of 8 units on x-axis. That means x-intercept is 8. Write the equation. So basically tell me the centers and radius. I'll write the equation, okay? You understood the problem. Equation of a circle which touches y-axis at 0, 3 and it cuts the intercept at 8, cuts the intercept of 8 units on x-axis. Three and root 7. What? 3 and root 7. These are the center coordinates of center. Raghav, are you telling me the root centers, coordinates of center? It's AB is 8. This point is 0, 3. C. Let's take center here. O. This is a very important question. They ask this question. And also make sure there might sometimes there might be multiple cases, okay? Like in the previous one, there were 4 cases. So always check whether how many circles are possible, okay? Always check how many circles are possible. G, are you getting? Yeah, this is one of the possibility. Yes. Yes, Raghav, yes. If you drop a perpendicular, see, because circle is touching x-axis, y-axis, so radius is going to be equal to this. Radius is going to be equal to x coordinate of the center, right? So let's x coordinate is r, so r radius is r, then this is going to be r, right? And y coordinate you can see is y coordinate is equal to this length. This is 0, 3. So because This is 90 degrees, so it's a horizontal line, right? So y coordinate of O will also be equal to y coordinate of C, 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. Now join O with A. This is also radius and use this point. Now this length is given 4, right? So using this we can find radius. OA is, this is R and this length is 3. This is 4. So we'll get R is equal to 5 easily. So this is R is equal to 5 we have got. So center coordinates will be 5, 3. But one more circle is possible. Circle can be this side also, right? Just reflect this circle. I mean, take the mirror image. So center can be at minus 5, 3 also. So two circles are possible. X plus minus of 5 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to r square. So radius is 5. R is equal to 5. So 5 square. Gia, got it? Got it? Okay. When circle is touching x coordinate is equal to radius, no? X coordinate is equal to radius because circle is touching the y-axis. We have just done it in the previous slide. The circle is touching y-axis, then x coordinate, this length is called x coordinate. X coordinate of any point is distance from y-axis, right? So that is r, na? Radius. So this will be r. And y coordinate is simply this distance from x axis. So that is equal to this length. Got it? Y coordinate is basically y coordinate of this point C is same as y coordinate of center, all right? They both are at same height from x axis. So y coordinate will be same. Then we found radius using the intercept length. The last we did in previous class. All right. Yeah, Bhavesh, there will be. Okay, so now condition for a line to touch, intersect, or pass outside a circle. We need to check that whether a given line. So let's say line is y is equal to mx plus c. All right. Or you can take a general line ax plus by plus c. No problem. Line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the line, and a circle is given as circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So we need to see whether this given line touches the circle, I mean, which one of the cases this is line is intersecting the circle? 1. Line is touching the circle, that means tangent to the circle. 2. This is called condition of tangency, which is the most important. And third is line passes outside the circle. So how to do it? Yeah, position of a line with respect to a circle. You can see that. So center is H comma K. Let's take center O. If you drop a perpendicular on the line, say that is OP. Okay, foot of perpendicular is P. You can see in this case P will be here, and in this case P will be here, right? And let's say radius of circle is R. So for first case, if line intersects, if line intersects, if line intersects the circle, then of course OP will be less than R, simple. Second, if line touches the circle, then OP is equal to R. This is called condition of tangency, okay? This is also called condition of tangency, which we are going to write further. Condition of tangency will write for a standard curve, and we will memorize it. Condition of tangency for a standard curve. Standard circle means whose center is at 0, 0. And rest will remember like this. OP is equal to R. And if line passes outside the circle, then of course OP will be greater than R, right? I think these conditions are clear to you guys. We need to just write OP, right? What is OP? OP is distance of H comma K from this line AX plus BY plus C. So we know how to write distance using distance formula. So that is AH plus BK plus C divided by under root of A square plus B square. This is OP, right? And radius we can write. Yes. Condition, now we are writing condition of tangency for standard circle. Condition of tangency for circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, and line y is equal to mx plus c. All right, we need to write condition of tangency for this line and circle. So as we have done, the line is touching the circle, the distance from center, which is 0, 0 in this case, point of contact is P. Yeah, so just drop a perpendicular. Yeah, right, Raghav. So from 0, 0, if you drop a perpendicular, So if you drop a perpendicular, it is this. Let's write this line mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. So if you write OP, that is going to be c upon under root of 1 plus m square. Simple mod. And radius is nothing but r. So OP is equal to r. So if you put this, r is equal to c upon under root of 1 plus m square. And if you square it, you'll get c square is equal to r square 1 plus m square. Okay, this is the condition of tangency. That means if I take c is equal to plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square, then this line will become tangent. Okay, if I put see, if y is equal to mx plus c touches this circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, then c should be equal to plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. Okay, so if I put this value of c in place of put this value of c in the equation of line, then this line will become tangent. Y is equal to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. This is equation of tangent. Okay, this is tangent to x square plus y square is equal to r square of slope m. So there will be two tangents. You can see there will be two tangents, right? So yes, in circle, there will be two tangents of one slope, parallel tangents, right? And they are at the ends of diameter. If you join their points of contact, it will be a diameter, right? You know that. Are you guys getting it? Done? Okay. Like, see, like for example, if I ask write the equation of tangent to x square plus y square is equal to 4, which is parallel to two x plus y is equal to 3. All right. So that means we need to write, this is a standard circle. Okay, so we can use that equation. But remember, that equation can be used for a standard circle. Okay, so we know the slope. Slope of tangent कितना हुआ? Slope of tangent is equal to -2, right? Can you see in this example, tangent is parallel to this line, so slope is -2. So we need to write the equation of tangent, which is of slope -2. So two tangents will be there, of course. We understood this thing. There will be two tangents of same slope. So equation of tangents, directly we can write y is equal to mx, so -2x plus minus r is 2 under root of 1 plus m square. So m square is 4. So one equation is y is equal to -2x plus, now what is this value? Plus minus of 2 root 5. Have you got it? So if we'll remember this equation, y is equal to mx plus minus a under root of 1 plus m square, r under root of 1 plus m square. Then we can directly, if slope is given, then we can directly write this equation if slope is given. Okay. Now see, but if circle is shifted, for shifted circle, can we use this equation? Yes, we can use, but not this one. We'll have to shift tangent as well, okay? See how do we shift it? See, this is the standard circle, okay? So tangent, now we need to write tangent to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square of slope m. Okay. So we know the equation of tangent for a standard curve of slope m, but we don't know the equation of tangent for shifted curve. I mean general circle. If circle is center is shifted to some other point, then how do we apply it? See, we know this equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square, right? If this whole system is shifted, it's like this origin is shifted to minus h minus k, then circle will look like this. The center of the circle has become h comma k. Origin is shifted. Just assume that origin is shifted to minus h minus k. So now new center of the circle will be h comma k. Then its tangents, slope of tangent is going to be same, right? So you can shift the tangent as well, because this equation of circle was x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now new equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Same will happen with all the curves. So same will happen with this straight line also. The new equation of the straight line will become y minus k. Just replace y by y minus k and x by x minus h in this equation. So new equation of tangent is y minus k is equal to m x minus h plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square. So you can use this equation. If you want to write directly using slope, if slope is given, you want to write the equation of tangent directly, then use this equation. Got it? Have you guys understood the shifting? Gia, you got it now? Yeah. So can you guys tell me, can we see this? This was written in perfect square form. And now I am asking you tangent, small difference, tangent to x square plus y square plus, if equation is given in this form, 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 of slope m. Can you guys tell me what to write in this? Like this equation, can we write shifted equation for this also? Can you relate it with the equation number 2? This was equation number 1 for standard, equation number 2 for shifted. This third one is also shifted. The equation is given in general form. That's it. That's the only difference. How do we write the equation of tangent for this particular circle? Of slope m. Just see what you need to change. in this. You need to change the coordinates of center. That's it. In the second case, coordinates of center were h comma k. Now coordinates of center of the circle are minus g minus f. So in place of h and k, they just put minus g and minus f. So it is going to be y minus f is equal to m times of x minus g plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square. You know r is under root of, we'll write r g square plus f square minus c using this formula. So it is going to be y plus f is equal to m times of x plus g plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square. So you need to use this, okay? So you write the centers separately and then use this formula, all right? It is same actually, they both are same. You've just replaced h by minus g and no need to memorize this one. You can just memorize the standard, the first one. You need to memorize this one, okay? Or the condition of tangency for a standard. And always do the shifting. If circle if center has become minus x1 comma y1, then you need to replace y by y minus y1 and x by x minus x1. That's it in this equation, the first equation. स्क्वायर नहीं आना था. What do you mean by स्क्वायर नहीं आना था? What are you talking? तुम्हारा आंसर वाला कमेंट नहीं आया, गलती से लिख दिया. Oh, you guys got it. Let's use it, huh? Okay. Shall we use these equations now? See, tangents to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 of slope 3. All right, so let's do it. Write the equation. Shall I do it? I mean, we are just using that formula. Nothing else to do in this question. Just use that formula. Just be comfortable with that. That's it. The real use of that equation we are going to do after this. Are you guys listening to me or are you just chatting with each other? That's the difference of teaching online and offline, right? I can't see what are you guys doing? Okay, first we'll write the center of this circle. Center is minus 1 comma 2, right? See, first we have written center and radius. Also write the radius. Radius is going to be under root of 1 plus 4 minus 1, so that is 2. So we have got radius also. Now we will write y minus y coordinate of center. So y minus 2. Okay. If you are writing the center, if you are writing the coordinates of center, then do not use that equation y plus g or y minus k. Okay. Simply y minus y coordinate. Okay. Whatever it is equal to m times of x minus x coordinate. So it will become x plus 1. Okay. Yes. Plus minus 2 under root of 1 plus 9. Good. So we'll get this. M is 3. So let's put m is equal to 3. Yes. All right, so now you guys got it, right? This is the answer. This is the answer. You can simplify it. So y is equal to 3x plus 3 plus of 5 plus minus of 2 root 10. This is the answer. Two lines. Clear. Now suppose tangent to a circle from an external point. Now this is the main thing. Suppose a point is given outside the circle and we need to find its equation. Now slope is not given. If slope is given, then it is extremely easy, right? If you get the slope of tangent, then you can write the equation to any circle, right? Immediately. It won't take more than 10 seconds if you know if you are comfortable with these equations we have done just now, right? No, Sundar Pichai is not he has not studied from IIT Kanpur. He is from IIT Kharagpur. Bhavesh, he was from IIT Kharagpur. He is Bhavesh. What have you written, huh? All right. First example, see the steps to find a circle is given x square plus y square. Okay, let's take x minus x1 square. Okay, so we are understanding the process for this circle. Okay, x minus h whole square plus. Once we have understood for it, then we can apply it for any circle. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Now this circle is given. Bhavesh, come up with something in between and comments and just leaves. He can't talk about the topic, right? So he keeps searching something to discuss about, where he can involve all of us. Oh, you confused. That is IIT Kanpur is IIT-K and IIT Kharagpur is written as IIT-KGP. All right, that's the difference. हाँ मैं कहाँ बचपन छीन रहा हूँ उसका. All right. See, the point is given. We need to find the tangents to this circle from x1, y1. Okay. So this is the point which is outside the circle, x1, y1. So if point is outside, say this point is P. Then from an external points, you can always draw two tangents, right? You can see the diagram. And this is true for any conic. That means parabola, ellipse, hyperbola also. You can always draw two tangents to any conic, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle from an external point. And we have already done the equation of tangent of a given slope. All right. Yeah, Bhavesh, enjoy karo. Okay, see the process. First step is assume the slope. So let slope of tangent is equal to m. Because we have assumed the slope, so immediately write the equation. Now write the equation. Write the equation in slope form. So the equation which we were doing earlier in previous slide, that was in slope form, okay? That is called slope form. Equation of tangent in slope form, this one. Uh, these equations were slope form. All right. I hope it is clear. So write the equation of tangent in slope form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. Oh, sorry. Center की coordinates, in this center coordinates of center are h comma k, all right? So y minus h, x1, y1 is a separate point. Y minus k is equal to m times of x minus h, all right? I hope it is clear. Plus minus, you can take any sign, by the way, because ultimately you need to do square. Plus minus r under root of 1 plus m square. Now everything is given, we need to find m, right? Now this tangent is passing through. We have written the equation of this tangent, right? He's preparing for NEET. Oh, then I am of no use for you after 10th class. For Olympiads. Oh, he is doing maths for Olympiads and he'll do NEET. So why are you not writing Bio Olympiad? Chemistry, right? Chemistry Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, Bio Olympiad, Science Olympiad, I mean. Okay. Let me complete these steps. Okay, focus, guys, focus. So let's slope of the tangent is m. We have written the equation of tangent. Can you tell me the next step? How to find m? How to solve it for m? We need m. What should be the next step? Tell me, guys. I'm not writing it. You guys tell me what is the next step. First, we have assumed the slope. Then we have written the equation of tangent because we can write for any circle, right? In slope form. Now we have got the equation of tangent. Now our target is h or k is h and k are given. R is given. M is the variable. We need to find m. If we will get m, then obviously we can write the equation because x1, y1 are also given. The point P is given, right? We need m. No. Perpendicular radius. That process is a different process. That's a different process. We are not going through that process because we have already got the equation of tangent in slope form. So we are not following that process. No need to do that. No need to do that. I'll tell you that process later. That will be the second process. Okay. Method 1. This is method 1. Jia, tell me the next step. How to find m? What would you do to find m? You need to make a relation in m only. You guys continue. You have taken maths. He is going to do NEET. I think NEET is a better choice. If I'll get a chance again, I'll do NEET instead of doing this engineering. All right. See, I'll tell you the process because this tangent is passing through. This tangent is passing through. This tangent is passing through x1, y1. Okay. So we'll put x1, y1 in this. So put x1, y1. x1, y1 will satisfy. So it will become y1 minus k minus m x1 minus h is equal to plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square. Now in this equation everything is given except m. So do the squaring. It will become a quadratic in m. Solve for m. You'll get two values, m1 and m2. After getting two values, now listen to this carefully. It will become a quadratic in m. No. S1 is this. That will give you pair of tangents. We are not doing that. We need separate equations. Okay. We need separate equations. I'm telling you a process. Now listen to this, guys. I'm telling you a process which you can apply for parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. The same process is going to repeat in parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Whenever you need to find a tangent from an external point, you always need to write the equation in slope form first. Okay, that and which you should know for all the curves, the standard curves or shifted curves. So like in this case, we knew the equation of tangent in slope form for this particular circle. Similarly, in parabola also there will be a slope form of tangent. In ellipse also there will be a slope form of tangent. In hyperbola also there will be a slope form of tangent. So you always need to write that slope form of tangent assuming the slope, and then after that next step will always be putting the coordinate of that point from where you are drawing the tangents. So you will put the coordinates of that point in the equation which you have assumed, which you have written in slope form. That will give you a quadratic in m always. And you get two values of m. Okay. So far clear? Now I'm telling you the last step. Okay. After getting m, do not put the values of m in this equation. Why? Because you'll get four tangents. Can you see? There's plus minus of r under root of 1 plus m square. So if you put m1, you'll get two tangents. If you put m2, you'll again get two tangents. So basically you'll get four equations, but there are two tangents. You will get two tangents extra. This will be an extra tangent. See, parallel to this. Of course, there are two tangents of slope m1. So you'll get this extra tangent, and similarly you'll get this extra tangent, right, of slope m2. So in total you'll get four tangents. To avoid that confusion, you have got slopes, you know the point, so write the equation. Okay, so you have got slope m1, this is slope m2. So write the equation y minus y1 is equal to m1x minus x1. This is first tangent, and y minus y1 is equal to m2x minus x1. All right, so use these points and slopes and write the equation separately. Is it clear? Now shall we do one example immediately? No, this method is easier. I'll tell you how. See, okay, have a look. Equation of tangents to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 from, say, 2, 1. Okay, I have just given you a random values. Okay, see the process. So first process is first write the tangent. Okay, to write the tangent, center of the circle, right? Center of the circle, -1, -2. Is that okay? And if you write radius is going to be 1 plus 4 minus 4, which is 1. Is this point all right? Okay. Second step is slope of tangent. So let slope of tangent is m. Okay. As we have assumed the tangent, the slope of tangents, we can write the equation. Its equation is y plus 2. Are you getting this? Y minus y1. Y minus k. So y minus -2. That is y plus 2. Is equal to m. X minus -1. So x plus 1. Plus minus r. R is 1 under root of 1 plus m square. This is the equation of tangent. Okay, you can write all the terms to one side. So you can write this equation like m times of x plus 1 minus y plus 2 plus, you can take plus sign or minus sign. Okay, just take one of the sign, plus minus of under root of, okay, wait, sorry, no need to do that, no need to do that. The third step, what was the third step? What was the third step? Can you guys tell me? Guys, tell me fast. What was the third step? We need to put the coordinates. Which coordinates we need to put? Not minus 2 minus, not minus 1 minus 2. But before squaring, we need to put the coordinates now. This tangent is passing through one point. You are putting the center. Why are you putting the center? This tangent is not passing through center. Center is minus 1 minus 2. This tangent is passing through which point? The point from where you are drawing the tangent, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, sorry, 2 comma 1. So put 2 comma 1 in this. Put 2 comma 1. This is the next step. So if you put 2 comma 1, it is going to be 3 minus m into, this is 3. All right. 3 minus 3m. All right. 3 minus 3m, fine, is equal to plus minus of under root of 1 plus m square. Now do the squaring. So if you square it, you'll get 9m square plus 9 minus 18m is equal to m square plus 1. All right. So you'll get this 8m square minus 18m and plus 8 is equal to 0. You can simplify and divide it by 2. So it is going to be 4m square minus 9m plus 4 is equal to 0. Can you factorize it? I don't know. 9 and 1? Yeah, possibly. 8 and 1. No. Sorry, 16 JEE product. You can't factorize it. All right. So basically you'll get now. Now you can write the values. They are going to be irrational, I suppose. So you'll get the values. Then final answer. What will be the final answer? Y tangents are passing through this point 2 comma 1. So y minus 1 is equal to m1 x minus 2. I'm writing m1 m2. Okay, because m1 m2 you know how to find m1 m2 now from this quadratic. And y minus 1 is equal to m2 x minus 2. Okay, we'll write these two equations. We know point, we know slope. Now guys, tell me, have you got these points? Is this okay? All right. Okay, so this was the theory. I will continue from here tomorrow. And tomorrow it is 3:30. In case of any change, I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah. All right, Raghav, Jia, Bhavesh, why are you wasting your time? You don't need to do this in class 11th. This is not in class 10th. This is not in Olympiads as well. See, from tomorrow there will be a gap of 3 days, and then after that we'll decide. Okay. Meanwhile, we can discuss. You can discuss with Gia and decide a time, and then let me know. I'll try to plan it accordingly. All right. Hello, Ishita. Is she your friend, Ishita? What is confusing, Bhavesh? Was it fast today? Because I think it was slightly faster. Was I fast today, Jia? Okay, Ishita, all right. Now for you it was not fast, but for Jia it might be. Alan Aditya. Uh, Alan Aditya. Aditya, doubt hai. What, maths doubt? If you have maths doubt, then come to special class 9 o'clock. I'm going to take doubts there from 9 p.m. tonight after half an hour. All right. Okay, we'll practice questions based on tangents in our next session. Okay, this is a very, very important portion. So I'll tell you the second method also, but the method which we have done today is generalized method, which we are going to apply in parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola also. But the second method is exclusively for circles, because we can use some geometrical properties of circle, like distance of center to tangent is equal to radius. So that happens only in circles, not in ellipse, not in parabola, not in hyperbola. So that property, that second method exclusively you can use for circles. This was the method which we are going to apply for all the conics. So that's why I was discussing this method first. All right, we'll practice questions tomorrow based on this method, based on tangents basically. All right. Chalo फिर. Okay then. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you everyone for joining. Do like the videos, huh? Take care. Bye.